Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of virtual reality with an exciting accessory for the Meta Quest 3. Introducing the upgraded head strap compatible with the 2023 Oculus Quest 3. This upgraded head strap from MES promises to take your Meta Quest 3 experience to the next level with its innovative design and enhanced comfort features. Let's delve into what makes this accessory a must-have for VR enthusiasts. First off, let's talk about compatibility. This elite head strap is specially designed for the 2023 Meta Quest 3, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless integration. Whether you're diving into the latest VR games or immersing yourself in virtual worlds, this strap has got you covered. One of the standout features of this head strap is its one-click stretch and retract design. Adjusting the fit has never been easier. Simply click to stretch or retract the strap for a customized and secure fit every time. No more fiddling with complicated adjustments. And don't worry if you're new to VR accessories. The package includes a user manual that guides you through the setup process, ensuring you get the most out of your new head strap right out of the box. But what sets this head strap apart from the rest? Comfort and support. The enhanced padding provides superior comfort during extended VR sessions, while the ergonomic design ensures optimal support for your head and neck. Just listen to what users have to say. Customers rave about the comfort, ease of use, and overall quality of this head strap. It's perfect for gamers of all levels, from beginners to VR veterans. So, whether you're exploring distant planets, battling virtual foes, or simply enjoying immersive experiences, the upgraded head strap compatible with the 2023 Oculus Quest 3 is your ticket to enhanced comfort and support in the world of virtual reality. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets and accessories. Until next time, happy gaming!